There I am up on the roof on this beautiful but very windy day. See here, I'm sanding my black Dometic AC cover. To get a new white one would have cost like $300, and I'm just not going to do that. But you can see there's like all these. It's been sitting in the workshop attic for years, and you know, it's got little stuff for birds crapped on it, and the acid from the bird crap just etched little marks in it. There's this kind of. There was something rusty that was on here, and basically it's etched itself into the gel coat. I sanded off the other one here. There was a big one right here. And so when I'm going to do that, I might as well just mask off where the logo is, right? Just a little triangle. And then I'm going to basically paint the rest of it white. So I've got my Krylon Fusion paint, gloss white. And I'm just prepping it right now, just sanding it down with a 220 grit. Fine, ultra fine sandpaper with my cordless sander, and I'm just going to go to town on it and clean it up and get it ready to. Let's go and use this now. Okay, well, one can got all of this done. Granted, it is not perfect, but I don't need it to be perfect. I just need it to be white, so that it'll, you know, be a little cooler on top of the RV instead of a dark black, you know, black shroud. So not too shabby, not too shabby. I'm going to let it dry for quite some time. Look at that, it's even glossy. Look at the gloss on that. It's awesome. Might be tempted to put a clear coat on it, but I think I might ruin it if I do it. And so I had this Duplicolor engine paint, which is cast coat aluminum, and because I oversprayed in a couple spots on the bottom, and I was going to leave it black originally, but I figured, you know, the cast coat aluminum looks pretty snazzy. So I painted the bottom cast coat aluminum, got one coat on it. I'm going to leave it like that, and then I've got pulled the cover off, and whoo, look at the glare. So yeah, I'm going to try to get that in the sun, as I have. Little stipples there, but yeah, not a big deal. I'm trying to get this thing dried off in the shade. It really wasn't doing so well, so just trying to get it to cure in the sun. Okay, not sure what happened there, but the video cut out for a second, but there it is with the, of course I got a little crud on the top here I need to take care of. Something landed on my paint job. Ugh. It's always a little bit there, but pretty, you know, pretty clear, pretty nice. Looks like something right from the factory. So that's going to go right up on top of the RV. It's going to be a new AC unit. Yeah. Thanks for watching, everybody. I appreciate it. And stay tuned while I put this bad boy and get her installed with all the new electric heat and control panel on the inside, ceiling control panel. Should be fun. All right, folks. Thanks for watching. Appreciate it. Happy, safe, and healthy RVing.